This brand is made by Honeywell but is backed by and sold on Amazon, but the guarantee is not as good as other brands that require dealer installation. Their smart thermostat is designed for the DIY market and has all of the features you would expect, including voice control by Alexa. The thermostat can be used in systems where there is not a common thermostat wire by purchasing their C-wire adapter. Through the Alexa app you can allow hunches, which automatically detects whether anyone is at home by using the smartphone's GPS, as well as monitoring the amount of time between Alexa interactions in the home, and will automatically adjust the HVAC system for energy savings. The app provides step-by-step instructions for replacing an old thermostat with the new smart thermostat so that virtually anyone can do it. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.